Hello, my name is Inho Han, and I'll be presenting Workshop 1 for Group 7 in APS145 section NEE. This presentation scenario is called Basketball Shootout. In this scenario, Student A and Student B would like to challenge each other by playing basketball shootout. So question is, how will they do it? This scenario breaks down into three parts. First part addresses who goes first. To decide that, Student A and Student B will roll a die. After that, they will compare their numbers, and person with lower number will goes first. In the case of tie, this part will be repeated until winner can be decided. In this slide, a visual simulation and the chart will be provided. On the first round, Student A rolls the dice and gets number 4, and Student B gets number 4, so it's a tie. Process is repeated since it's a tie, and they'll roll a die again. On second round, Student A gets number 6, and Student B gets number 6 as well, so it's a tie again. However, on third round, Student A gets number 1, which is the lowest number available on a die. Unless Student B gets same number, Student A will be most likely the winner. Student B gets number 4 on third round. Therefore, in this simulation, Student A goes first. On second part, it addresses the winner of the basketball shootout. For default setting, both students get their own session and get 3 attempts. In the case of a tie, the game will be repeated until winner is decided. Continuing from part 1, Student A goes first. In this slide, a visual simulation will be provided for an easier interpretation. On first session, Student A scores 3 times and Student B scores 3 times. So it's a tie. On second session, Student A and Student B both scores 3 times, so it's a tie again. However, on next round, Student A still do not miss any shots and score 3 times. Unfortunately, on the other hand, Student B misses 2 times and scores only 1. Therefore, Student A wins the game with 3 scores and 2 tie games. On the last part, it addresses the size of the prize. Both students A and B agreed that loser will buy coffee to the winner. Condition of the prize is that winner's score of the winning round will equal to number of coffees. In this scenario, student A won the game, so score of the student A on round 3 is equal to number of coffees that student B is buying. Other condition is that if tie games exist before the winning round, the number of coffee will be reduced by half a cups. Last condition is that if the number of coffee cups are not whole number, it will be rounded up to the closest whole number. According to the scenario, student A won a game with 3 scores, so he gets the 3 coffees. However, he had 2 tie rounds, so number of coffee will be reduced by half cups, but 2 times. So as a result, 1 coffee will be eliminated, and the scenario ends with student B buying 2 cups of coffee for student A. In conclusion, why this solution is better. Firstly, this scenario is fair and equal. Both students get same environment such as dice, personal shooting session, and same number of attempts. Secondly, it has clear demonstration. Step-by-step procedure shows how to decide the first player and the winner and number of coffee the winner is getting. Lastly, the result is quantifiable. The results are not decided by intangible matter such as memory or feeling. It is decided by precise calculation. Thank you for listening. It was presented by Inho Han.